The 1973 MGB GT V8 stands as one of the most remarkable British sports cars of its time, blending lightweight design with powerful performance. This model was a game-changer for MG, offering a factory-fitted V8 engine that significantly enhanced its driving dynamics. It remains a highly desirable classic, appreciated for its combination of style, speed, and practicality. The exterior design of the MGB GT V8 retains the iconic fastback coupe styling introduced by MG. Its compact yet aggressive stance is defined by smooth body lines, a chrome-accented front grille, and round headlights that give it a timeless appeal. The elegant proportions and lightweight construction contribute to its impressive handling capabilities. The addition of alloy wheels and flared wheel arches distinguishes the V8 model from its standard counterparts, making it instantly recognizable. Powering the 1973 MGB GT V8 is a 3.5-liter Rover V8 engine, producing around 137 horsepower and 193 pounds-ft of torque. This lightweight aluminum block engine was a significant upgrade from the standard 4-cylinder power plant, providing effortless acceleration and a thrilling exhaust note. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and overdrive option, the car delivers smooth power delivery and an engaging driving experience. The performance figures were impressive for the era, with a top speed of approximately 125 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 8 seconds, making it one of the fastest MG models ever produced. Inside the cabin, the MGB GT V8 offers a blend of vintage charm and driver-focused ergonomics. The interior features leather-trimmed bucket seats, a classic wood-rimmed steering wheel, and an analog instrument cluster displaying vital performance data. The fastback design allows for additional cargo space compared to traditional roadsters, making it a practical grand tourer for long-distance driving. Despite its compact size, the cabin remains comfortable, with ample visibility and an intuitive layout. The suspension system was upgraded to handle the increased power, featuring a revised front setup and improved rear leaf springs for enhanced stability. The lightweight nature of the V8 engine also improved weight distribution, allowing for sharper cornering and a more balanced ride. The braking system, equipped with disc brakes at the front and drums at the rear, provided reliable stopping power. Production numbers for the MGB GT V8 were relatively limited, making it a sought-after classic today. Its combination of performance, British craftsmanship, and historical significance ensures that it remains an enthusiast favorite. Collectors value well-preserved examples, with prices steadily appreciating in the classic car market. This legendary sports coupe continues to capture the spirit of vintage motoring, offering an exhilarating drive with timeless appeal. For more exciting classic car reviews, subscribe to the channel.